In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a round-robin meeting link in Hubspot. This is a fantastic way to streamline scheduling meetings for your team, ensuring that appointments are distributed evenly among your available team members. Let's get started on this simple yet effective process. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log into your account. Go ahead and click on Login. Of course, before you can access the features we'll discuss, you'll need to be logged in with your administrative credentials, so enter your login details accordingly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hubspot home screen. From here, direct your attention to the navigation panel where you'll see various tabs that cater to different functionalities within HubSpot. What you want to do is click on the library section. The library is the area where all your resources and tools are stored, making it an essential spot for managing communication tools. After clicking the library, look for the meeting scheduler option. It's here in this section, the meeting scheduler, where you can organize and automate your meeting invites. Click on it to open your scheduling settings. This feature is particularly useful for sales teams and customer service departments, as it greatly assists in reducing back and forth emails trying to find a suitable meeting time. Next, within the meeting scheduler, you'll see an option to create scheduling page. Click on this to begin setting up your new meeting link. This page is where you can tailor your scheduling needs, including setting specific times when bookings are allowed and defining buffers between your meetings to ensure you have enough time to prepare. Now, on the Create Scheduling page, you'll notice a choice labeled Round Robin. Click on the Round Robin option to set it up. A round robin meeting link evenly distributes meeting requests among your team members, ensuring that no single person gets overloaded with meetings while others are left idle. This setup is perfect for balancing workload and providing quick responses to clients or prospects requesting meetings. As you proceed, HubSpot will prompt you to select the team members that will be included in this round robin link. Be sure to choose members who are available and who should be part of this meeting type. Once your selection is finalized, continue to set preferences regarding availability, meeting duration, and any other specific details that are relevant to your scheduling page. By following these steps, you've now successfully set up a round-robin meeting link in HubSpot. This will streamline your meeting scheduling process and optimize your team's efficiency. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out more helpful videos for additional tips on utilizing HubSpot to its fullest potential.